Heard from a friend today, and she said you were in town. Suddenly the memories came back to me in my mind. How can I be strong? I trust myself time and time again. Never fall in love again. Wounded heart you gave, but soul you took away. Intentions you had made me, I know you did. Come from a place it hurts, and God knows how I've cried. And I never want to return, never again. Making love to you, that's so good, oh so right. How can I be strong and back myself? Time and time I've said, and I never fall in love with you again. You're alone again, didn't think it'd come to this. To know it all began from just a little kiss. Come to happiness to have it swept away. Think I can take the pain, but never fall again.